For this question, we've been given a rate, and this rate describes the water flowing into a tank. So dV dt is equal to 2t of 1 plus t squared. Okay, so V is the volume of water, and t is the time. So those are our two variables. And initially, the tank is empty. So we can say that at t equals 0, V also equals 0. Okay, and the question they're asking us is when t equals 10, what does V equal? That's what the final question, final answer has to solve. What is V when t is 10? Okay, so because we've been given a rate, what we can do is and that rate describes the change in volume. If we integrate that rate, we'll get the volume itself, right? So dV dt integrated is just V, and that's what we're looking for, okay? So let's give that a go. So if we integrate, we use that symbol, and we're going to integrate between the limits that we know, right? So from time 0, where there's nothing in the tank, to time 10 seconds later, we want to know if the rate is 2t on 1 plus t squared, how much volume is in the tank, okay? So we can solve this. Now, if we look at this fraction, if we want to integrate it, the trick here is that we've got the differentiation of the bottom on the top, and so that's a log. That integrates to become a log, okay? So we get a log of 1 plus t squared. Now, the differentiation at the bottom, t squared is just 2t, so there's nothing to worry about, you just leave it out. And that's between 10 and 0, okay? So let's just give ourselves a little bit more room. So what we're going to do now is look at the limits, okay? So the first limit is 1 plus 10 squared minus the second one, which is just log of 0. Let's just do that again. 1 plus 0. Okay. Now log of 1 just goes straight to 0. That just becomes 0. Whereas the other part's the important bit. 1 plus 10 squared is just 101. And this here is a volume, and they told us that volume of water is in liters, so we've got to make sure we put that unit on there. So the volume is equal to log of 101 liters. And remember, if we look back up here, they wanted the exact amount. So exact means that we don't want decimals, we don't want something that's rounded, we want the actual whole complete answer in its exact form. And the exact form is log 101. And that's the answer.
Snack is an online platform to instantly create and share videos just like this one. To watch more or try a hand at making your own, head over to snackapp.io.